Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Epic Games just recently announced Unreal Engine 6 at the State of Unreal, and they mentioned that this would be a pre-alpha version that you can go ahead and check out.
A new UE6 mainstream will be on GitHub later today, publicly visible, just like the UE5 stream has always been. And in addition, Fortnite development will be attached to the UE6 stream, so you can see all of our ongoing work live and cherry pick any changes as needed. However, this stream is not meant to be any kind of alpha. It exists just to be transparent with where we're going.
So what I've gone ahead and done is I've downloaded UE6-main, I've compiled it from source, and we're going to go ahead and take a look to see what is new in Unreal Engine 6, albeit this is sort of like the pre-alpha, alpha, beta version of early access Unreal Engine 6. So this is like way early of a release. So let's go ahead and actually dive into Unreal Engine 6. All right, so here we are in Unreal Engine 6. Wait a second, this actually looks very familiar. Yeah, so here we are in Unreal Engine 6. As you can see, there are some different changes to the UI, but you probably won't notice it right off the bat. Just to verify, this is actually Unreal Engine 6. If I actually hover over here, by the way, I named my project UE6, so you can just ignore that, but you can see the version is 6.0. And again, just to make sure that you guys don't think that I'm making this up, here is UE6-main on github.com/epicgames, and I went ahead and downloaded that and compiled it. So over here, the main difference with, UE6 pre-alpha, early access, before the early access, is that we have actually verse built and integrated into the engine. So what I mean by this is if you go into the plugins and search for verse, there are a bunch of new plugins, actually, a total of 44 plugins. So I've actually done a full comparison of the UE6 plugins versus Unreal Engine 5.8. So the total summary are that 44 new plugins were added in 5.6, 5 plugins were removed or renamed, and so a total increase of around 39 plugins. So mainly all of this are the new verse plugins. So these are all from Unreal Editor for Fortnite. So if you already use Unreal Editor for Fortnite, you're probably already familiar with some of these. But yeah, as you can see, these are all integrated into the engine. I actually had to enable all of these manually, but you can see some of them are verse, verse colors, verse engine, verse experimental, verse gameplay debug, verse print, verse simulation. Another interesting one is the verse state tree editor. So we have verse tags, verse interface, verse modifier, and much more. And so once you've gone ahead and enabled this, you'll also notice some new editor buttons because of that. And again, if you use Unreal Editor for Fortnite, this is basically, very similar to that. So you can see we have a new tab up here for verse where we can compile the verse code. And I don't know if I even explained this. Verse is basically going to be the programming language of UE6 that's going to replace, I believe, C++ and Blueprints. We have opened the project in VS Code. So usually this is where you actually do the programming and all that stuff. I've never messed around with verse itself, so I'm quite new to it. We have the compile button over here. And then over here we have the verse explorer. So this is typically where you're going to create your verse files. Like if you were to create a C++ file or a blueprint file, this is basically where you'd create it. You'd right click and I guess create like a verse file. But as you can see in the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, what's different is they usually have like verse device, NPC stuff over here. All I'm seeing is the verse tag. So I'm wondering if I'm missing a plugin or something, or if they haven't fully integrated verse into the Unreal Editor. So maybe that's just something that's going to come in the future. But yeah, that is the Explorer. And yeah, pretty much other than that, everything is the same. Like we still have blueprints and stuff. Like this is just the third-person template, as you can see. So we have all of our blueprint classes, input, we could select meshes. It's pretty much Unreal Engine 5.8, but now they've added the verse plugins and integrated it into Unreal Engine 5. At least what I'm seeing, there isn't a whole ton of changes other than, a slow integration, bringing verse into UE5 and then just basically calling it UE6. There are some other new plugins in here that I want to mention other than the verse ones. Let's see here. They have the Gaussian Splat. These are new experimental plugins. So it looks like they have native Gaussian splash support in UE6. Then we have the mass characters as well as the mass iris replication. So the iris system is like the new networking system, which is supposed to support sort of like a MMO server framework. So I'm thinking this is what they're going to be using with Verse. That's pretty much Unreal Engine 6 early access, pre-alpha. As you can see, there's really not much differences other than, you know, just the Verse integration and all that stuff. I'm sure they're going to be updating this within the coming months. So it'll definitely be interesting to keep your eye on it. But yeah, I'm interested to know you guys' thoughts on this. What do you guys think about Unreal Engine 6? Honestly, it seems that a lot of people aren't too excited about the whole shift. The fact that they're going to eventually remove blueprints entirely and just switch to Verse has got the current Unreal Engine community pretty upset about it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below, and that's it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to quickly tell you about my Unreal Engine Masterclass course bundle. I just launched a brand new Unreal Engine Masterclass course. This bundles together all of my courses showing you how to make games inside of Unreal Engine. This Masterclass course has over 150 plus hours of learning content, and I will show you how to make 8 different games from complete scratch. You'll master multiplayer networking, survival mechanics, AI, user interfaces, game optimization, mobile development, and so much more. Included in the Masterclass bundle are all the completed game project source files, so you can use them as reference while you learn, or if you just want the completed game project, we have you covered. Check out the Unreal Engine Masterclass link in the description below and start building your very own games today.